Hi. From air airplane story. Airplane story. NASA airplane story. From last video, my ew. Let's go in. Like I found out last video, the first video I made, I had speakers, so I'm just going to talk instead of putting in chat because I don't know how to type that good. No, no, we're going to die here. B113. Wait, B. Okay, found my seat. I found my seat. I found 13, then B said B13, so I saw my seat. Found my seat already. Hello everybody, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to Overboard Flight Flabbergasted. We are securely flying at the 33,000 feet above the sea. Weather good, which means we're arriving in no time to our destination. Yes. Oh yeah. I don't think toddlers will be watching since we're toddler. I'm sorry about that, but. This is nice. This is nice. No, you can't open that. No. Oh wait, we're about to fight. We need to go back to our seats. Oh, 15 seconds. I think that girl's gonna die. Okay, okay, that's her seat. That's her seat. That's her seat. See, look, that's on her. But, Calais, you're going to that Calais. This is my seat. Look, B13. There's 13 right here, and there's a B right here, so that means this is my seat. What seat are you, Calais? Let me see. No, not sandwich. Don't eat it. It might be poisoned, like it normally is in stories. Dot. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, is this sandwich mayo? Of course it's the mayo. Wait, I didn't even eat the sandwich though, and I never ate mayo. Oh no. I didn't eat it. I didn't even eat it. I didn't even eat it. How am I dying? Hi, miss. You're clearly looking at 3 YouTubers right now in one server. Thank you, my dear sister. Even though I didn't eat the sandwich. It wasn't even close. I didn't even eat the sandwich. Let me eat it now. Let me eat it now. It does nothing to me now because I got the healing. Why are we eating, sis? I'm going. For sure, I'm allergic to worms. I mean, people. Yeah, you spit the worms out as soon. Yeah, but we're not in our seats. We could die. Us is very annoying. we're sleeping upstairs? Why can't we just lay down on our bed because we have our own custom seats we can lay down on? So that's going to be a bit uncomfortable. Because these. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. What? No! 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 What is that? Oh no! My wing!
Oh my god.
You little boy! Callie, are you supposed to say that? You supposed to say that. Callie, I need to say your words. Oh no, Callie. It seems you are allergic to snakes. Oh no, the snakes are here! I think I see the snakes. Ugh, my face I kept standing. Green one? Oh! Aha! Because the snakes are coming when the time is out, NASA. This is be my smart. Yeah, that girl ruined my childhood. That was scary. We used to discuss what the heck just happened. Oh wait, it's red now. Oh. Dumb brain. Dumb brain. I knew. We're discussing, hello. Nothing in here I can discuss about. Oh. Yeah, I think the snakes. They're invisible snakes that we cannot see. Aha! We're back. Hey, I'm supposed to be her. You're supposed to be. And these snakes are gone. Thank God. Well, we didn't see them because they are visible and it took our brains out. You don't need to sound like that, Callie. Sound like yourself because it is you. And then, Callie, you're ruining the video. We all have dumb brain now. Squidward? Squidward? Wait, where's mine? Oh no! I'm going to suffocate! I'm going to suffocate! No, give me that! Give me! Yeah. How do you take these masks off? It looks weird on me. I look like a doctor now. What happened? Where's the mama? Oh my god! What is this? No, why me? Why the YouTuber? It looks like a bomb. Oh no! I'm going to explode, guys. My videos are going to be unenabled. I can't come to die! 2 cuts. Hurry up. I'm going to explode, Nessa. Thank God. off me. My videos will be disabled if this happens.
Pick blue.
Pick the blue.
Cut the blue pick blue.
No! No! I can't believe you guys called me a girl after I just died. Can I spectate? Can I spectate?
Yeah.
Oh no. What? No!
Bye.
You have to stop controlling my mouse.
Bye, guys. Let's
Bye,
go.
bye, everybody.
Fine.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gone.
Bye.